this video, we're going to be talking about how to adjust the layout of your application as you start building it out. So we're going to just create a quick template project, which is going to be based on supply chain. So with that, to start making this look pretty, we have this beautiful UI and interface where once we jump into App Editor, we get a view of what the application actually looks like. As far as controls are concerned, right up top, we have this header where if we move this dial, we can see that our Plotly graph updates. So if I change this, it dynamically updates. This is the type of functionality that you're going to get whenever you deploy, and you can see in real time as you develop, which is one of the beautiful things about Plotly. But with this, we're going to go into the third icon on the right, which is going to be the control settings, because you can change the way that this is displayed. So right now it's a header, but if we want, we can turn this into a sidebar. And right below, we have control groups. So if we go into the file and if we add more controls, those are going to be seen here, and we can move them accordingly. If we want, ones on top and move them down, we can adjust the position of them. So that's really easy to work with. The next thing that I want to jump into is going to be the card section. So the second icon on the right, we have this way that Plotly and App Studio is basically sectioning off your code, and it allows you to keep everything concise and speeds up development and makes it easy to work with. But if you want to adjust a title of a section, for example, this right here, we can call this map. If you want to move this to the bottom, you could just drag it. So that's one way of adjusting the layout. Another thing that you could do is you can bring multiple figures into the same card. So for this example, we have two tables. So we could just call this one tables. And if we want them side by side, we can click on this button down below the description, which allows us to change the width and the way that this is positioned. And even within this, we can drag these if we want to switch them up, or if you want to hide one, you can do it like so. So it's that simple to start, designing a layout and to adjust it and to make it look professional and to tell that story that you're trying to tell with your data set. And that's one of the real reasons why I love App Studio.